on, people? You know I'm back. Told y'all, man, y'all come with me every step of the way, and I'm working on my RT, man. Like I got stuff coming in, so today I'm putting in the bezel, the new cluster, and I'm gonna show y'all how to get that radio in there without zip ties and all that there. It's gonna be real short and sweet and simple. So y'all get back at me and I'm finna get back with y'all. Stay tuned. Let's go. All right, everybody. So I installed my new cluster. It's a 2016 Dodge Charger. Came out of RT, I believe. I put it in, you know what I'm saying? I already hooked up the taser or whatnot. So everything is working. Taser right there. So what I'm gonna do next, and this is another thing I need to get fixed. I don't even have, you know what I'm saying? I don't even got the that's another thing. Why everybody tire pressure be going on that side? But everything worked. We good on that. Next step is getting the bezel in and trimming and do what I got to do. But I think I got a trick for that. I'll be back. So what I got here is these little tabs that was on there. You know, there's some on the back right there. What I'm gonna do, I didn't cut it all the way flat. I just left enough, right? So it's looking pretty flush, you feel me? So what I'm gonna do, I can scoot over a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a screw through here and like diagonal to tighten it down on both sides, which are long drywall screws, you feel me? So we're gonna see how that gonna work out, and we're gonna get back to it. All right, people, look like I did me a little cheat code. So what I did, I took my drywall screws and I took my radio and I just screwed them in sideways. I just clipped off the top and I screwed these down. And on the back side, I kind of did the same thing. I just drilled it in sideways. This one ain't really need one. So I turn it over. Bam. It's flush. You know what I'm saying? No gap, no nothing. Perfect. No glue. I told y'all, man, I'm gonna figure it out. You feel me? It only took me about 3 minutes to figure that out. Yep. That's it now. It's time to go to the car next.
Mind me, I got something for ye.
Ah, yes, our meager restitution.
Lord have mercy. Lord. Gotta love it. Wow. Beautiful. Oh yeah. We back. I got to figure out what's going on with that. And I don't even got a sensor in the front. And that's crazy. Got all the pages. Yeah, we on. Baby. Ooh, I love that. I love that look. I love that look, baby. yeah, so that's what it is, man. Easy. Told y'all I'm gonna figure out a way real quick and easy, baby. I'm gonna holler at y'all, man. Y'all please like and subscribe for your boy, man. I'm going a long way with this car. I told y'all gonna be with me every step of the way. So hey, man, y'all ride with me from day one. Please like and subscribe, man. Y'all have a blessed day.